Today we're at our A Concepts Coach 2023 event. So he just got his Gen 1 V8 R8 tune. Oh! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're at our A Concepts Coach 2023 event. We're super excited. It's a nice sunny day here in California. It's been crazy. The weather's been nuts here. There's been tons of rain. But anyways, we're excited to do this event, host this event with a bunch of amazing cars. As you can see right here, we got some exotics lined up. Got a wide body Liberty Walk Urus, Liberty Walk Huracan, Life of KG's M4 GTS, a bunch of other crazy builds. You can see right now, there's a Corvette pulling up, and you know, it's gonna be a good event, guys. So we look forward to many more, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This thing is sick. This thing is sick. We got a bunch of cars pulling in right now. Got a G80 M3 just pulled up. We got two GTSs right here. We got Alpine White. We got the Satin Gray. Looks super good. I was gonna see him. Like a parking attendant here. I should have charged for parking. I would have been rich.
You're gonna get there.
We got some of the shop builds right here. We got a M2 wrapped in a Nosatec, Mamba Green, full carbon kit by us, crazy three-piece wheels, lowered on KW suspension. We got a secure orange F82 M4, full carbon kit, carbon hood, slam, looks amazing. Style 666 wheels, looks great. We got our other shop car, which is a Nissan 370Z. We just wrapped it, a beautiful light blue color. So we got our shop G82 M4 right here, full kit, wrap, slam, air suspension, the full 9 yards, roll cage. I mean, we've done about everything possible to this car. Following in the back, we got Kevin's E92 or E92 Lime Rock M3, my Audi R8, Porsche GT4. We did a full carbon kit on this one, full satin black wrap on this one, and then Kevin's just special. He thinks he gets the special treatment. Crazy, guys. Everything's super packed. A bunch of dope builds out here. We got E92 M3 satin black. We got Mark. We got Finding Nick. We got Fresh Kicks. And we're gonna walk through the alleyway to see what kind of pull up because some crazy cars came out. We got my Tacoma looking amazing right here, being the bodyguard of the parking lot. We got Ariz's X6M right here. We got the Audi R8 right here, G80 M3. Bunch of cars out here, it's crazy. Got my brother, his homie Prince. What's up, bro?
What's up there?
Thank you guys for coming out. Thank you, bro.
You good?
I'm good. They're right there at the thing. A bunch more cars right here too. Let's walk through. This looks dope. I'm like, it's like a creamish white I'm not sure if it's a wrap, but this is a dope ass color. Amazing individual. It seems like, or it could be a wrap, I could be wrong. Purple G80 M3. Gotta show love to the GTIs right here. Satin white, G80 M3. G46 M3 in white looks amazing. Timeless design. Our customer right there with the F82 M4. Seems like we still got people pulling in too. It's crazy. Wow. Let's go walk all the way down there now. I heard there's a bunch of cars over there. Let's check it out. So he just got his Gen 1 V8 R8 tune. He said it sounds crazy, so let's hear it. I'm excited. When I had my V10 R8 for a while, he was telling me he was gonna get one and he finally got it, so I'm excited to hear it. Let's hear it. Oh! Ooh, I feel it. Sounds good, bro. I like it. The floor is vibrating. Sounds good. It looks sick, bro. It sounds sick. Check out this sick G80 M3 right here. This wrap is nice. This color looks crazy. It's like a color shifting orange and yellowish color. Tons of BMWs. This ended up being a BMW takeover, it seems like. We got a nice little break right here of no cars. Just kind of feels good. Just to walk.